So basically, Oy. That's all I can say. But I don't know what's next.
We bought a Jaguar XJ Vanden Plas for $1,000 on OfferUp, and it has a bad fuel pump. We're going to show you how to Jaguar on the cheap. Normally these pumps run you about $382 somewhere there, but I know that this car has the same fuel pump as a Ford F250 or F350 V10. So that one we actually just ordered, it should be coming today. We're putting that new pump in as $29, so this is, I guess, Jaguar on a budget. So the first things we have to remove to get the fuel pump of this car are gonna be here where the fuel neck of the car is, and we have to take those straps off for the fuel tank. There's another line underneath the car somewhere that I honestly still have to look for, and we should just be able to pull the tank out and lift the pump straight out. Hopefully this is a pump that we'll be able to replace with just a universal 255 LPH pump, and maybe it'll cost us a little bit less than $50 to fix this and have a fully working Vanden Plas XJ Jaguar. So we're gonna take out the battery too, because honestly the battery is a little too close for comfort to the tank, so we're pulling it out completely just to avoid any risk of fires, even though we do have fire extinguishers everywhere.
Heck, we even have a fire hydrant right there.
Alright, now to take out the battery bracket, it's just a T30 Torx screw. And there's two of them, one here. So next we just gotta disconnect some of these hoses. This is like fuel overflow and this is the fuel filler neck. But we're gonna detach this. And we're gonna unbolt this fuel filler neck from the car. Remove this that holds the rubber piece to the fuel filler neck. Now we're gonna take out the two fuel tank straps that go there. And the last thing I think we'll do is gonna be the line that's under the car. So it's a 13 to remove the straps. The last thing we're going to take off up here is going to be this EVAP pipe.
So in order for us to pull the fuel tank out of the back, this overflow line is in the way and we'll just yank it out. Fortunately it's stuck underneath, so David has to go underneath.
You pull it?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it right now. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And that's the end of this video.
So, if you're still watching this and you want to buy a Jaguar, don't.
Alright guys, so we got the fuel pump out.
Finally got the Ford F250 fuel pump into the Jaguar holder. It's exactly the same if you look at it on top. And there's the old one. Flip it around this way. Yeah, they're exactly the same. We're just gonna pop this one into the tank now and we should be good.
It basically, well, basically again, definitely indeed agreed.
The new pump is in the tank. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but we use the pump from an F250 V10. We just have to put all of the hoses and stuff back and push the tank back in. There are two outlet and inlet lines at the bottom of the tank, which is honestly the worst part of doing this job, but now that we're not taking it off, it should be a lot easier to just put it back, because I guess they're called quick connect. Yeah, not quick disconnect for sure. We're gonna put everything back right now and we'll try to see if it fires up on its own power without starting fluid. Everything's plugged in, so it should honestly Just start up, prime it a few times. That's good. Alright, I think this pretty much concludes it. If you want to buy a Jaguar on the cheap, you want to replace the fuel pump, you don't have the $389 Jaguar is asking for the part. Go ahead and order an E2226 Ford fuel pump. It fits perfectly fine in the fuel tank. The car works perfectly fine. We'll be doing a lot more budget builds. Hopefully we're going to be doing, I think the next thing we're going to be doing is something with an M52 and a turbo. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much.
This is Budget Miller Racing. Approve.